This recording explains the calibration and maintenance module and its workflow in the quality management suite. Let's understand, what is calibration and maintenance? Calibration. The tools and machines must provide accurate and precise results. Calibration ensures accuracy while measuring the results and helps detect discrepancies, if any, by comparing them to standard references. Maintenance. Maintenance involves routine checks and maintenance to ensure the optimal performance of the tools and machines without unexpected failure or machine breakdown. Both calibration and maintenance are essential for ensuring operational efficiency and meeting the industry quality and compliance standards. Why calibration and maintenance? Ensure that high-quality tools and machines are used in the manufacturing process. Track and ensure the accuracy and performance of the tools and machines. Maximize the lifespan of tools and machines. Prevent failures and reduce downtime. Let's look into the product. We'll see the calibration flow in the QMS. Going to the Tools Management screen, we see the list of tools and machines that need calibration and maintenance. You can view its description, status, asset tag, and manufacturer name. We'll open the QC Tool Moisture Analyzer. Here, in the summary area, we can enter the details related to the moisture analyzer. Going to the Calibration tab, we can schedule the calibration based on the number of days, after how many days the tool should be calibrated, number of usages, after how many usages the tool should be calibrated, before use, if the tool should be calibrated before its use, after use, if the tool should be calibrated after its use, and manual. User can select the schedule type based on their needs and requirements. The calibration order will be generated only when marked as active here. The checklist group ID can be associated here to ensure the user completes the checklists while calibrating the tools and machines. Going to the checklist, we see the list of moisture analyzer checks that need to be marked as complete. We will see later while performing the QC. The source selected as internal denotes the calibration to be done internally in the manufacturing facility, and externally denotes when the tools are sent externally for calibration. For instance, the tools and machines are sent to an external lab for calibration. You can also assign the employee to perform the calibration activity. Let's go to the Purchase Receipt screen and see how the calibration workflow works in the Quality Management Suite. We will create a new PR. Here, I will select the vendor. Select the raw material. I want to receive in the warehouse, and enter its quantity. This QC required checkbox denotes the QC needs to be performed on the item, while receiving it in the warehouse based on the QC setup done on the item to ensure it meets the quality standards requirements. We have associated a moisture analyzer as a QC tool which will be used while performing QC. Now, we will release the PR. We see the QC order is generated to perform receiving QC. We will open the QC order. The warning sign here denotes that the tool needs to be calibrated before being used to perform QC. We can warn and restrict the use of tools and machines to ensure the proper and timely calibration and maintenance of tools and machines. The tool needs to be calibrated before being used in QC as on the Tool Management screen. We marked the calibration schedule type for the QC tool, the Moisture Analyzer, as before use. Going to the QC tools, we see the warning sign on the Moisture Analyzer, which warns us to calibrate the tool before use. The Tool Management Order tab shows the calibration order generated for the Moisture Analyzer. We will perform the calibration, ensuring the tool is calibrated according to the checklist and all are marked as completed. And post it. Once the calibration is done, we can perform receiving QC. Enter the value. Evaluate, and post the results. Similarly, we'll see the maintenance flow in the QMS. Let's look at the maintenance setup for the laser cutting machine. Going to the Maintenance tab, we can add the schedule name. Attach multiple checklist IDs. Select source as internal and external. Schedule the maintenance based on the usage and number of days. Enter the value for a number of days and usage schedule type. And select the date to start the maintenance. The system automatically updates the next maintenance and last maintenance date. We will now manually generate the maintenance order for the laser cutting machine. The maintenance order screen will open. In the Checklist tab, we need to complete the checklist to ensure all the checks are completed while performing the maintenance activities on the machine. We will mark it as completed and post the order. The maintenance order is now completed, and the status has been changed to posted. Going to the Tool Management Order screen. We can see the list of calibration and maintenance orders generated, tool source and ID, order status as not started, in progress, posted, completed, and more, checklist group ID associated with the calibration and maintenance order type, and the document number where the order was generated. Using this screen also, the users can view, perform, complete the checklist, and post the calibration and maintenance orders. eWorkplace Apps provides comprehensive dashboards and reports for calibration and maintenance to track and analyze activities and make better decisions. Let's look into Calibration COA, Certificate of Analysis. We will generate the report for the specific order. Here we can see all the information related to the calibration activity. Going to the calibration dashboard, we can see details such as internal and external orders, a list of not started and in progress calibration orders, and more. Similarly, the user can view the analytics for the maintenance activities in the maintenance dashboard. Hope this recording provides insights into the eWorkplace Apps calibration and maintenance module workflow within the Quality Management Suite for Acumatica. Thank you.